Mechanical engineering is a fascinating field that combines creativity, problem solving, and technical knowledge to design and analyze everything from small components to large systems. At its core, mechanical engineering is about understanding how things work and applying that knowledge to create innovative solutions. One of the most exciting aspects of mechanical engineering is its versatility. It branches into several specialized areas, each with its own unique focus. For instance, thermal engineering deals with heat transfer and energy conversion. Imagine designing a more efficient engine or developing advanced heating and cooling systems. This branch is crucial for improving energy efficiency and reducing environmental impact. Then there's fluid mechanics, which studies the behavior of liquids and gases. This branch is essential for industries like aerospace, where understanding airflow can lead to the design of better aircraft. Think about how engineers optimize the shape of an airplane wing to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. It's all about harnessing the principles of physics to make things fly better. Another key branch is materials science, which explores the properties and applications of different materials. Mechanical engineers in this field work on selecting the right materials for specific applications, whether it's creating lightweight components for vehicles or developing durable materials for construction. The right material can make all the difference in performance and longevity. Robotics is another thrilling area within mechanical engineering. Here, engineers design and build robots that can perform tasks ranging from manufacturing to surgery. The integration of mechanical systems with electronics and computer science opens up endless possibilities. Imagine a robot that can assist in complex surgeries or one that can explore distant planets. The future of robotics is limited only by our imagination. Let's not forget about automotive engineering, a branch that focuses on the design and manufacturing of vehicles. Mechanical engineers in this field work on everything from engines to safety systems, constantly pushing the boundaries of performance and sustainability. With the rise of electric vehicles, this branch is evolving rapidly, emphasizing the need for innovative designs that reduce emissions and enhance efficiency. Lastly, there's mechatronics, which combines mechanical engineering with electronics and computer control. This interdisciplinary field is at the heart of modern automation and smart systems. Think about how automated manufacturing processes rely on precise mechanical systems working in harmony with advanced software. It's a perfect example of how mechanical engineering is evolving to meet the demands of a high-tech world. In summary, mechanical engineering is a dynamic and multifaceted discipline that plays a crucial role in shaping our world. Whether it's through improving energy efficiency, advancing robotics, or innovating in automotive design, mechanical engineers are at the forefront of technological progress. The branches of mechanical engineering not only highlight the diversity of the field, but also its impact on our daily lives and the future of our planet.